If you're just starting your journey into clinical research, you might be wondering, where do I begin? What role should I target? What do employers expect from someone who's new to the field? Let's answer all of that, because understanding entry-level roles is the first step to building a strong, lasting career in clinical research. Let's start with Clinical Research Coordinator, or CRC. Even at the entry level, a CRC plays a vital role. You may be managing patient schedules, assisting during visits, updating case report forms, or handling source documents. In short, you're the glue that holds the trial together day to day. There's also the Assistant CRC. Think of this as a support role, shadowing more experienced CRCs, managing administrative tasks, helping with document prep, and learning trial operations firsthand. If you're detail-oriented or organized, this role can be a great launch pad. Next, we have the Data Entry Specialist, a role that often flies under the radar. But make no mistake, data quality drives trial outcomes. This role teaches you how clinical data flows through EDC systems and how critical accuracy is in regulatory submissions and analysis. And then there's a Regulatory Documentation Assistant. This is where you'll learn the importance of compliance, helping maintain essential documents, tracking protocol updates, and supporting communication with institutional review boards. If you're organized and meticulous, this role can give you an excellent foundation in GCP and documentation standards. These roles aren't just jobs, they're training grounds. They help you build real-world skills while exposing you to every facet of a clinical trial. Now, what are employers looking for in an entry-level candidate? First, a relevant educational background. A degree in health or science-related field is common, but don't worry if your path was a little unconventional. Completing a program like CCRPS, a CRCC certification can grow your can show your commitment and help bridge the gap. Next, attention to detail. Whether it's checking a date on a consent form or entering data from a patient visit, precision matters. Trials live or die on the quality of their documentation. Communication skills are equally critical. You'll interact with patients, PIs, nurses, and regulatory staff, so being clear, professional, and empathetic goes a long way. Also important, a basic understanding of GCP and regulatory guidelines. You don't need to be an expert yet, but showing that you know the fundamentals will set you apart. And lastly, organization, multitasking, prioritizing, and staying on top of protocols and deadlines. That's the heart of CRC work. Here's a tip: in your resume or interviews, highlight any hands-on experience you've had, whether it's through internship, simulations, or your ACRC coursework. Show how you've used these skills in real or practice settings. In conclusion, entry-level roles in clinical research aren't just a starting point. They're a launch pad. They offer hands-on experience, exposure to clinical operations, and a front-row seat to the world of clinical trial coordination. If you focus on building your skills, staying curious, and showing up with professionalism and purpose, there is no limit to where you can go.